Hello, and welcome to Lecture 4 of Module 1. In this lesson, we're exploring a crucial aspect of Agile user-centric product development. As product owners, understanding and implementing a user-centric approach is key to creating successful products. Let's break down what that means and how it directly applies to your role. In the world of Agile, being user-centric means focusing on the needs, experiences, and feedback of the end user. It's like being a chef in a restaurant. Your main goal is to satisfy the diners, not just to follow recipes. This approach ensures that the products we develop truly resonate with the people who use them. At the heart of this approach are user stories. A user story is a simple informational description of a feature from the perspective of the end user. Think of it as a compass guiding your product development journey, ensuring you're always moving in the right direction. As a product owner, crafting effective user stories is a key skill. They should be concise, yet comprehensive enough to convey the user's needs. The formula is simple. As a blank type of user, I want blank an action so that blank a benefit or value. So as a I want so that. This format keeps the focus on delivering real value to users. Let's consider an e-commerce platform. A user story might be, as a busy parent, I want to filter products by age range so that I can quickly find toys suitable for my child. This story guides the development team to create a feature that directly addresses a user's specific need. User story mapping is a concept that we're going to delve deeper into later on in this course. It's a concept popularized by Jeff Patton. It's an invaluable tool that involves arranging user stories along a timeline, mapping out the entire journey a user takes with your product. This visual representation ensures that you don't just deliver features, but cohesive experiences. This approach has multiple benefits. It helps in prioritizing features based on user needs, spotting gaps in user journey, and planning releases that deliver the most value at each stage. It's like plotting a route on a map, ensuring you cover all the essential stops along the journey. In job interviews for product owner roles, you'll often be asked about your approach to understanding and prioritizing user needs. It's important to articulate how you use tools like user story mapping to ensure a deep understanding of the user journey, and how you translate this understanding into actionable development plans. Here are some tips for aspiring product owners like yourself. Always keep users at the center of your development process. I will say that one more time. Always keep the user at the center of your development process. Regularly interact with users using surveys, interviews, or beta testing. Use their feedback to refine your user stories and product backlogs. Remember, your role is to be the voice of the user within the Agile team. You are the voice of the user within the Agile team. Please keep this in mind. According to a study in the Product Manager's Survival Guide, products developed with a user-centric approach see a 60% higher satisfaction rate. This approach not only leads to better products, but also fosters loyalty and engagement amongst users. So to sum up what we've talked about so far, user stories and user-centric approaches are vital in Agile development. They guide the product development process and ensure that the final product truly meets the user needs. As a product owner, mastering these concepts is crucial for your success. Now let's continue our journey through user-centric product development in Agile environments. You'll now delve into integrating these approaches into your Agile practices and their impact on the overall success of your product. Integrating a user-centric approach in Agile isn't just about collecting user stories. It's about embedding the user's perspective in every aspect of product development. This means continuously engaging with users throughout the whole development cycle, from conception to launch and beyond. Create a continuous feedback loop. Regularly test your product with real users and gather feedback. This approach helps in making iterative improvements, much like a pilot adjusting the course based on wind direction to ensure a smooth flight. The impact of a user-centric approach on product success is profound. It leads to products that are not only functionally robust, but also deeply resonate with users. For example, Airbnb's focus on understanding and enhancing the user experience has been a key factor in their global success. As a product owner, your strategy should be multifaceted, prioritizing backlog items not just based on business needs, but also on user impact. Use tools like personas and empathy maps to better understand your users. This is akin to walking a mile in a user's shoes to truly grasp their needs and their pain points. Another tip to you guys as product owners: collaboration with your development team is crucial. Ensure that they understand the why behind each user story. This helps in creating solutions that are not just technically sound, but also user-centric. It's like a crew on a ship working together. Understanding their course and their destination altogether allows for the best collaboration possible. Consider a healthcare app that helps patients manage their medication. By continuously engaging with patients and healthcare professionals, the development team can create features that truly make a difference in users' lives, like medication reminders or interactive health trackers. Incorporate user-centricity in your Agile retrospectives. Discuss not just what was achieved, but also how well the team met user needs. This keeps the user's perspective at the forefront of your team's mind. When preparing for product owner interviews, be ready to discuss specific examples where your user-centric approach positively impacted a product. Okay? Keep this in mind. Specific examples where your user-centric approach positively impacted a product. Articulate how you gathered user insights and translated them into successful features. Statistically, a user-centric approach leads to higher retention rates and customer loyalty. Products that align closely with user needs see a retention rate increase up to 50%, as highlighted in user experience studies. To conclude, integrating a user-centric approach in Agile development is not just beneficial, it's essential. It leads to products that truly make a difference in users' lives. As a product owner, your role in championing this approach is crucial. You're not just a conduit between the business and the technology. You are an advocate for the user. Please understand this. Driving the creation of products that are loved and valued are your #1 goal. Now, this wraps up the lecture on Agile and user-centric product development. Thank you for engaging in this critical topic. Next, we'll delve into the tools and techniques for effective backlog management. Until then, keep the user at the heart of your product journey. Thanks.